Hey there, Steve with NSNP Power Sports. Today we are working on a Kandi Trail King mini bike. These are pretty cool little units. But anyways, the complaint is it will not move. No matter how long you leave the charger in, just doesn't work. So let's show you guys what we have going on here. Hit the power button. You see your screen, it's in park. You can see the battery percentage has 2 lines. That's just not nearly enough. So, to kind of demonstrate what I mean further, this is where the charger plugs into the bike. We're going to unplug it. And if you look and see, that screen is gone. That tells me right away that battery's not taking a charge no matter how much I want it to. So I'm going to turn the power button back off. I'm going to plug the charger back into the port. Just like that. And today's sole purpose is to show you guys how to test your battery charger to make sure it is working correctly and to check your battery, because this is something you guys can replace on your own without taking it to a shop. This stuff is real simple. I mean, so simple a blind guy can do it. So we have a multimeter here. We'll turn it on just like so. I used to have a talking multimeter, but somebody wanted it more than I did, so I haven't replaced it. No excuse, but it's truth. What I did is I put a zip tie on the black lead. That way I know this is my negative lead. That's how I keep them separated. So, now what we're going to do is ask my camera person to hold that meter for me. I thank you. And you can see the bike plugs into the battery right there. Plain as day. You can't miss that. So we're going to unplug this first. Alright. So we're going to check the charger first. Really simple. So when you're holding the wire like this, you're going to want to take your negative lead and put it right there, like so. And take your positive lead and go in right there. That should be a little over 63 volts.
68.4.
Perfect. So we know the charger is working, and I'm even going to show you, because I'm going to unplug it again from the bike right here, and you can see nothing. So now we're going to take the same leads and we are going to test the battery. So we're going to put our positive lead right there. I think I got it. It's real tight to get into here, but okay. What do we got there? Whoops, 1 minute please. Really, we want to do the terminal dance here. Okay, what do we got there?
3.4.
3.4. So that tells me that battery is absolutely no good, and we know it will not take a charge. So I will have to order one to get it operational again. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to hit that like, subscribe, and share button. Doesn't cost you a penny, but it truly helps the channel, and I really do appreciate it. I thank each and every one of you for your continued support. And remember, if a blind guy can do it, you can do it.